Hey, here's a couple of quick tips for using messages. All right, let's head into messages right now. The people you have last messaged will be at the top of your list, but there's still people that you frequently text that you have to kind of scroll down, find them, and get back into that thread. Well, did you know that in iOS 14, you can pin these messages to the top? Hit the edit button, hit edit pins, and then grab them, hold, and pull up to the top. And if you want to change that, there's a little minus sign there as well. Press done when you're finished. In addition to dragging the contacts up to the top pin area, you can hit that little yellow circle on the right-hand side. That will do it as well. How easy is that? So now those people that you constantly are texting, every day or every second day are always going to be at the top, ready and waiting. As with most things on the iPhone, there are multiple ways to do this same process. The first method I showed you used the edit button in the top left corner. Here's another way that you can pin a contact. Find your contact, take your finger and swipe from left to right. And if you just kind of keep going right off the end of your phone, it will put that contact up into that pinned area. You can keep doing that if you want, or you can just keep a few of them up there. Why don't you go give that a try? Take a few people that you frequently text with and slide them up into that pinned area.